Alright, here we go. This is written for the last day of, which was yesterday, the last day of the Dirty 30 Poetry Challenge. Yeah, it's a poem. It's called Motorcycle Accident. Wasn't an accident, Mrs. Mary Jones. Said you didn't see. Was that the reality? I, swollen in pain, for whose gain? Trapped on the bed, pain a discourse, hard movement. Blue lights corral, red lights pace, dirt, knee pivots, concrete, asphalt, surround. Tumbling away, hands released, broken neck, motorbike, car charge brake, roundabout, wait, riding down a road, which way to go.